in today's video we are going to do an unboxing of the new iPhone 8 Plus in red and also show you iPhone hacks that you may not have seen before. If you're new to my channel, hello Mafi, please subscribe for more videos like this and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, and make sure to stay till the end of the video for a huge surprise. Okay, so this is the brand new iPhone 8 Plus in red. I have always been so curious about the red products from Apple, so I'm so excited to see what comes in this box. Maybe red earphones or red Apple stickers, who knows? So now let's remove the plastic and let's take a look inside. Okay, so now that I have removed the lid of the box, the first thing that I see are the manuals. But this time there's something red inside. Let's see what it is. Okay, so it's only a paper that says Product Red. The new iPhones are part of the Product Red, and a portion of every sale goes directly to the non-profit, the Global Fund to help fight HIV and AIDS. So that's pretty cool in my opinion. And well, the rest of the manuals are the same as the past iPhones, which let me tell you, this iPhone is exactly the same as the past iPhone 8. The only difference here is the color. Besides gold, black and silver, now it comes in a beautiful red finish, but it's only for a limited time. Now let's see if the charger or earphones are red or if something is different. No, I was hoping to see a little bit of change here, but no, it's the same as all the iPhones that we have unboxed on this channel. Even though the new iPhone 8 Plus comes with a fast charging feature, Apple still isn't included that cable or the adapter. Here comes the basic one, and of course the earphones are the cable in white as usual. I really don't know why they didn't include that already with your iPhone. I mean, these are so expensive. So why you, after spending a lot of money on your iPhone, still need to spend more money on the fast charging cable? That makes no sense to me, but whatever. Okay, so now is my favorite part of every unboxing, removing the plastic. Whoa, I'm so impressed with this beautiful red finish. Isn't it the coolest thing ever? I'm so mad at Apple. Why they didn't include this color back in November when all the new iPhones came out? Look at it, it's so beautiful. What I love the most about this new iPhone is how shiny and reflective the back is. Since it's made out of glass, the red looks 10 times better. It kinda reminds me like a bottle of nail polish or something like that. The only thing that can be a little bit confusing is that you may not see that you have your iPhone in silence. Look, since it is orange, it almost looks red in the new iPhone, so be careful with that. And here's a comparison between the new iPhone 8 Plus in red and my iPhone 8 Plus in silver. As you can see, they are pretty much the same. The only difference is the color. Both are shiny and beautiful. I'm such a fan of the new glass finish. And now here's a comparison between the red iPhone 8 Plus from last year, and as you can see, they are completely different. They have completely different finishes. The new iPhone is so shiny, and I love how reflective the back is. And the old iPhone 8 looks kinda matte because it's completely made out of aluminum, just like the past models of iPhone. But besides that, everything else looks pretty much the same. And another cool thing that a lot of people were asking is that now the front part of the iPhone is black. That makes it look 10 times better because it looks like if all of the front part of the iPhone was a screen. Overall, I think this is so beautiful. I'm in love with this gorgeous shade of red. It's like a cherry red. And like I said a million times, I really love how shiny and reflective the back is. So if you're looking for a new iPhone, I highly suggest you to get this color because it's limited edition. And once it's gone, it's gone. Apple is not going to sell it anymore. Or well, at least until next year. Now I'm going to show you some cool hacks that you can make not only with this red iPhone, you can make them with any smartphone. You can have the coolest filters on your phone without having to spend money. Just grab a plastic lid of any container and use that as a color filter. The final result looks amazing. No one is going to believe that you use a plastic lid as a filter. Both photos are super cool, but look how cool the second photo looks, and it was only using the lid. Now I'm gonna teach you how to make any cord curly. It's very simple. Just grab a pencil and wrap around the cable as tight as you can. Leave it like this for a couple of minutes, and you can hold it with some tape if you don't want to hold it with your hands all the time. And now just simply remove the pencils, and there you have it, a super cool looking cable. I love it, this is so 90s. I love bokeh effects so much, so I show you how to make the coolest bokeh backgrounds for your Insta stories. Let me show you how. Over a plastic lid, just put a little bit of Elmer's glue and use your fingers to spread it a little bit. And now add glitter on top. The chunkier the glitter, the better for this hack. Now just grab your phone and put this lid behind the lens. The closer you are to the lens, the more bokeh effect you are going to have. Take as many photos as you want, and at the end pick your favorite. I love it so much, this is going to make your Insta stories 10 times cooler. Oh, I hate when this happens. To avoid that, you can use an empty mint container like these ones. Once you have finished all the mints, this container is the perfect size to put your earphones inside. Your bag will be so much organized with this hack, and you won't have any tangled earphones. I love this hack so much. I always see this hack on Pinterest, so I'm so happy to finally try it, and let me tell you, it was better than I was expecting. Okay, so now the surprise that I was talking at the beginning of the video is that I'm doing a giveaway. One lucky winner will receive a brand new red iPhone 8 Plus, exactly like the one we just unboxed. So if you always wanted to have an iPhone, this is the perfect opportunity. It's so easy to enter this giveaway. Here are the rules you need to follow if you want to win. You must be a subscriber, and don't forget to click the bell so you never miss any of my videos. Like this video and let me know in the comments why you want to win this giveaway. And don't forget to leave your Insta or Twitter handle so I can contact you if you win. You can leave as many comments as you want, just make sure to make them different each time so it won't get flagged as spam. This giveaway will be open for 1 month and it is international, so no matter where you live, you can still enter this giveaway. Good luck to everyone, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!